You know, after over 40 years as a remodeling contractor and a lot of years as the host of today's Homeowner, I get a lot of homeowners that are sincerely asking me, what's the benefits of metal roof? And I always tell them it's all about the strength and all about saving money on your energy bill.
Well, the strength part makes sense because it's metal, but what exactly is the advantage?
Well, you think about the extreme weather conditions that we've had over the last few years, all these hailstorms. Well, an asphalt roof does not like a hailstorm.
Yeah.
Metal roofing is designed to where it can make it through a hailstorm without any damage. Actually, insurance companies love it because they're starting to give some pretty significant discounts if you use metal on your house.
Well, we're in a hurricane-prone area here on the Gulf Coast,
Right.
and people are opting for metal roofs because they can stand up to wind gusts of 140 plus miles per hour.
Right, well, you can understand it too because of the interlocking design. It's like the whole roof is working together against those high winds versus just a shingle here or a shingle there that can blow off like if you have an asphalt roof.
Right.
And that's where the water comes in, and that's where the real damage can occur.
All right, so we have the strength, but what's energy efficient about it?
Well, you think about the reflective nature of metal and how it can reflect the heat that the sun's going to build
Right.
up, so that heat's not penetrating down into the attic and then transferring down into your living space, which will make it very uncomfortable. So it makes a lot of sense, and you can save a lot of money by using a metal roof.
I mean, saving money is great, but being comfortable in your own home is even better.
Yeah, I know it, but you think about it, in some situations on your heating and cooling bill, you can save up to 40% on that cost.
That's no small change.
Exactly.
I love that you can go to the Metal Roofing Alliance's website at metalroofing.com and learn even more about a strong, energy efficient metal roof.
Yeah, it's a great website.